Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm currently doing a short series of Christmas nail designs. This is video number 8 out of 12. So make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you're reminded about the upcoming videos. If you try out one of these designs, make sure to tag me in your post. Enjoy the video! I'm going to start by painting 2 layers of gray nail polish. After the layers are completely dry, I'm going to go in and add a gel top coat. This will allow me to remove the design if I do not like it without ruining the nail polish. Now I'm going to take a very fine nail art brush and some white gel polish. I'm going to be making a thick line on the right half of the nail. To be honest, I probably should have used a bigger brush, but I was unsure how thick I wanted the line. After I get the first line how I like, I'm going to cure under the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to make a horizontal white line about the same thickness at the free edge of the nail. Once all of the white gel polish is cured, I'm going to go in with the same brush and some black gel polish. I'm going to be making 3 stripes on each white line. 2 on the outsides and 1 in the middle. Once this layer is cured, then I'm going to go in with some red nail polish. I'm going to make a red stripe on the left side of the nail and across the top. Once the nail polish is fully dry, I'm going to go in with a gel top coat. And here's the finished nail. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you're reminded about the upcoming videos. See you guys in the next video. Bye!